Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My idea for today is to make a coastal gazing ball, and I hope that you will join me. The main supplies you will need for this project is a clear ornament, and I will be using a 4.72 inch clear ornament. You will need some sand in the color of your choice. You will also need some shells. I have an assortment of shells here. You will also need a base for your ornament. You will also need some glue. You can use a quick hold glue or you can use your glue gun. You might need some tools for this project. I have my pliers and my craft knife. I will also be using some chenille stems, and you can pick one in the color of your choice. I will let you know if I need any additional supplies to complete my project. The first thing I want to do is work on my ornament. My ornaments come with a little tab here, and I want to go ahead and remove that. I'm going to use my pliers and see if I can get to pull that off. I want to wiggle this tab. I believe if I'm very careful I can break this off. So when you do yours, be very gentle. Yep, I got it. Now I just need to wiggle it off. There we go. And I'm going to do the same with this side. This is a quick little project. So what I want to do next is put some sand in here. I have this blue multi-shade of sand here. And I'll get this open. And I'm going to pour this in here. Maybe half the bag there. And then I want to add some shells. So I'm going to put a variety of shells in here. I have some cones, some scallops, some, what is it, conch shells. Just a multiple of different shells. Let's see, and then I have some tiny ones here. I want to take some of these and drop some in there. And then maybe another one. And then I'm going to test this. I'm going to take this and put this in here. And give it a little shake. How cute, right? I like it. I think it needs more shells though. So let me tap the sand down and add some more shells. Okay, let's try this again. How cute! Look at that. Nice and quick. Now, I want to seal my seam here so it doesn't accidentally pop apart. And take this back apart. I do have my multi-purpose cement here. Again, your type of glue you're using is all preference. You use what you're comfortable with. And I just want to make sure I have sand off right here where the ledge is on the ornament. I don't want any sands getting caught in there. And let me see. Let me use a brush and brush all that dirt off. There we go. And then my glue does dry clear, so I'm not too concerned about it leaving a trail. And I'm just going to put a very tiny dab, and I'm going to put like maybe an inch space in between, just like that, and go all the way around the ornament. So I think 1 inch is a little bit much, but you know, I like to be cautious. There you go, and I'm just going to smooth this out just a little bit. Then can go ahead and put my ornaments together. And then I have a little bit of glob there. I'm just going to make sure I get that off before my glue dries. I'm just using my nail to scrape that off. Although I think I need some wet wipes. My finger's starting to get sticky. Okay. I'm just going to run the wet wipe all the way around. Make sure I pick up all any glue residue. There we go. Look at that. How cute is that? I love it. I'm going to put this aside, and I have one more to put together. While my glue is drying, I want to work on the base. And I have 2 wooden round pieces here. Really cute little slates here. And I want to put my ornament right on top like this. So when it's resting, it sits there. And then we're going to, pick it up. You can pick it up also. Now, you can fix yours to where it's permanently on the base itself if you like, but I want to be able to move mine. So what I want to do is I'm going to use my Chanel stem and create a nest on each of my stands, and I'm going to just loop this will, I think it'll be fine. Just I'm creating kind of like a little nest is what I'm doing. And I think that this is probably like a good size right here. Just I want to create it like right in the middle of the wood piece itself, and then I'm going to take my Chanel and just kind of wrap it on itself like this. And I do want to create like a nice comfy base. So I'm going to take another Chanel and just keep wrapping and see. Let me see where how much Chanel I will end up using. So this is quite simple. Just wrap your Chanel around and around. I end up using 4 Chanels, and this is how thick it got. Now you can make yours even thicker if you like. It's all up to you. Now I'm going to take some of my multi-purpose cement and I'm going to put some on the bottom. Now you can use your hot glue gun to adhere your ring to your base if you like. But this will be just fine. So put that on there and let that glue dry, and we will give our new gazing ball a look-see. So here is my base. Look at that. Adorable. And my new gazing ball, my coastal gazing ball. Anytime I want to play with this, I can just pick it up and give it a twirl. Look at that, how cute. Now you can pay $25 for one. Or you can buy your own supplies and you can make your own gazing balls. How adorable is that? Now you can put whatever you want into your gazing balls. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love it. So yeah, the Chanel stem, all it does is create a little nest for your gazing ball to sit on. Look at that. How adorable. I love it. I'm quite happy with it. Here are my new gazing balls. Look at that. How cute is that? I love them. And it's sitting on my little nest there. Just adorable. I like it that I can take it off the stand and take a look at my gazing ball and then put it back on. Now my ornaments are plastic. You can use glass ornaments on yours if you like, but either way the results are the same and they both look adorable. I love the way they turn out, and I hope that you like them and that you give them a try. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.